So now this is about GPS fixing in electric vehicle pure EV. We have to remove this logo. There will be a screw inside it, and if you remove the screw, that front part alone will come out. Why we are removing this is we have a controller which converts 60 volt to 12 volt and gives out 60 volt. There is two output volts, that is 60 and 12. Now I am going to connect in 12 volts. My GPS device I can connect in 12 and until till 70 I can do, but I am going to connect it in 12 itself. The 12 volts output is mainly used for headlights and the indicators and parking lights. All this has 12 volts and the RN2. Since 12 volt 12 volt spares will be available in market for all the vehicles. So this converts 12 volt to 60 volt to 12 volt, and there is a cable connected in it. This is the input and output of the wire. The red is connected to the yellow one, and the red, I'll show you. See, the red is connected to the yellow one. There are two different colors, but the output color will be changing, so please be careful with the output colors, since the red is connected to the yellow and the yellow is connected to black and the black is connected to green. The last one which I am showing you, the black one is 60, that is the common for both 60 and 12. That is connected to the green one. Since there is a lot of color change in the connection circuit wiring itself, please be careful. Look at this. The output will be red, yellow and black from the controller, but when the connecting to the connector, it changes into yellow, black and green. So the yellow black is 60, yellow is 60 volt positive supply, black is 12 volt positive supply, and the green is common for both 60 and 12 volts. So now I am going to show you 12 volts, which is the second one, that is the center one. See, this is the 12 volt output, DC output. Here only I am going to connect my GPS device. I have to remove the socket, and it is not that much easy to connect through this. We have to sleeve it more. You can connect it either by this way, or I'm going to do one more method. Since this is difficult and we have to sleeve more long for the connection of the cable, so I'm going to take out the pins from back side and going to from here, where the green is common for both 60 and 12 volt, and I'm going to connect the black wire to the green wire, which is common, that is negative supply. DC in DC we used to say positive and negative, so that is a negative supply. There will be a small knob inside it. You need like a slide or something like that. Hairpin you have, right? Hairpin we have, so using that we need to do this one. And there will be a knob like structure. If you pull it out, it will come out. See, easy, but be careful while taking it out. Since our vehicle will be mostly under warranty, we need to be careful. And if you do it in this way, and the warranty will not be violated, since we are not going to cut or we are not going to join any wires in the cable. So I have taken the black one, which is the common for I have taken the in this it will be green, right? In this it will be what color is that? I have taken the green one, and the black one is 12 volt positive supply, that is 12 volt positive. So I'm going to take the black also out. I have already taken the green one, so we are going to insert the black and the red wire of our GPS device in the negative, that is negative will be green in this case, since we are taking from the output, that is a connector's output, so we are going to connect the black wire in green and red wire in black. So be careful. If you have any doubts, please do comment so that I can confirm you the colors. If possible, I will make a note of the wire like a diagram and update to you. It's very easy. We should have little bit of knowledge, that is enough for us to connect this GPS devices. So I have given the negative supply, that is the black color wire, to the green one, and the positive supply of 12 volt to the red. That is my GPS device as red, and the output connector will be having black. So if you have a multimeter, that's easy for you to make sure that you are connecting to the plus volt or minus volt. That is easy. Now we have connected, and I have inserted the legs inside the connector coupler. That is make sure that you fix it firmly, or make it yeah, that is, it has been fixed firmly. And don't be, while see, you could have seen some sparks. Actually the key was on while we are doing this, so make sure that the key is turned off before you connect the connections. Since if you turn on the key, you will be getting the supply, so make sure that you turn off the key. I'm going to take the cables inside and keep it inside the dashboard. That is the box here we have, right? So I have put one wire and brought this 4 cables inside and connect the GPS device. Easy step. It has been clearly given step by step, so be careful. And if you have any doubts, you can comment also, and please don't forget to like and share. If you want any more videos regarding e-vehicle, if you have any doubts, your queries, you can comment on that, so that I can, if possible, I can make a video regarding that. See, now I'm going to connect my device. This is a device which I have. This device cost me around 1500 something, since we have got in bulk order for our vehicles. So this is the one. I'm going to connect the GPS device and check whether the lights are illuminating. Yes, I have connected it. I'm going to connect it. I have connected it. Yeah. Let me show you. The light glows. The LED light glows. Right. I just want to make sure that it is connected properly. The way which I connect this is the way we should connect the GPS device. Since mine is not a branded one, it's a generic one, but it works fine. I have used in all my vehicles. I used in all the 12 volt vehicles. It works fine. And in future I'll show you, I'm making a video for the mileage of the vehicle, since the meter does not work properly in ePluto. That is the low speed variant. The power supply has come. That's all. Look at that. There is 3 LED lights which are blinking: red, yellow, and the blue one will blink if we get the signals. This is the screen recorded after connection. See the GPS device. That's the green one is the tracker which has been connected to the vehicle, and it shows when I move. It shows, yeah, this is how it shows. And this will give you a accurate correct kilometer, which we have meter error since this vehicle, so it gives us correct value of kilometers driven. And I am also making a video for the kilometer driven of ePluto low speed vehicle, and I'll post that also. Like and comment the video, so that it will be easy for me to make other videos.